The secret to perfect overnight oats? A simple rule: use equal parts oats and liquid. This keeps the texture just right. Did you know your breakfast can literally cook itself while you sleep? Imagine waking up to a meal that's already done, no effort required. It's like having your own personal chef working the night shift, just for you. No stove, no stress, and it takes less than a minute to prep. Seriously, you don't even need to turn on the oven or microwave. Just a jar, a spoon, and a few simple ingredients are all it takes. If your mornings are always rushed, or if you just want to make life easier, let me show you why everyone's obsessed with overnight oats. They're the ultimate solution for busy people, students, parents, or anyone who wants to start their day with something nourishing and delicious. Here's the deal. Overnight oats are a no-cook breakfast where old-fashioned oats soak up liquid overnight, turning soft and creamy by morning. The oats absorb all the flavors and become almost dessert-like, but still super healthy. You toss a few things together at night, and wake up to a healthy meal ready to grab and go. It's perfect for meal prep, and you can make several jars at once to last you through the week. The secret to perfect overnight oats? A simple rule: use equal parts oats and liquid. This keeps the texture just right, not too thick, not too runny. So I start with half a cup of rolled oats and pour in half a cup of milk. This is your foundation, and you can easily double or triple the recipe if you want to make more. Dairy, almond, oat, whatever you have works. You can even use coconut milk for a tropical twist, or soy milk for extra protein. The choice is yours, and each one brings a slightly different flavor and creaminess. Already you've got a solid breakfast base. But why stop there? Let's take it up a notch. But let's make it even better. This is where you can get creative and add your own twist. Add a quarter cup of Greek yogurt. This not only makes the oats extra creamy, but also adds a boost of protein to keep you full longer. This makes everything extra creamy and bumps up the protein. If you're dairy-free, try coconut yogurt or any plant-based yogurt you like. Then, sprinkle in a teaspoon of chia seeds. These little seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3s, and help thicken the oats to a pudding-like consistency. These tiny powerhouses absorb liquid and give the oats a thick pudding-like texture. Now for the flavors. This is where you can really make it your own. Add a splash of vanilla extract. It adds a subtle sweetness and makes the oats taste like dessert for breakfast. A tiny pinch of salt to balance things out. Don't skip this step. It really brings out all the flavors. And a teaspoon of honey or maple syrup. This natural sweetness ties everything together and makes your oats taste amazing. That's the magic step that transforms boring oats into something you'll actually crave. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking, or even add a little cinnamon or nutmeg for extra warmth. Stir everything well so there are no dry bits hiding at the bottom. Make sure all the oats are coated and the chia seeds are evenly distributed. Then seal the jar tight and pop it in the fridge. That's all the work you need to do. Your fridge does the rest. That's it. Breakfast is literally making itself while you get your beauty sleep. You can rest easy knowing a delicious meal is waiting for you in the morning. 6 hours is enough, but if you can leave it for 8 to 12, you'll wake up to the creamiest oats ever. The longer they soak, the better the texture and flavor. In the morning, just grab your jar, give it a quick stir, and top it however you want. Fresh berries? Yes. Banana slices? Always. You can even add a dollop of nut butter or a sprinkle of granola for crunch. A handful of crunchy nuts for some texture. So good. Walnuts, almonds, pecans, or even pumpkin seeds all work great. The best part is how customizable this is. You can change it up every day and never get bored. Chocolate chips, peanut butter, mango, even a swirl of instant coffee. Whatever fits your vibe. Try shredded coconut, dried fruit, or even a spoonful of jam for a fruity twist. So if you want more 5-minute healthy recipes, hit like and subscribe. I'm always sharing new ideas to make your mornings easier and tastier. And tell me in the comments, what toppings are you adding to your overnight oats? I love hearing your creative combos and flavor hacks. Trust me, once you try this, you'll wonder why you ever skipped breakfast. It's quick, healthy, endlessly customizable, and honestly, it just makes mornings better. Give it a try tonight and wake up to the easiest, tastiest breakfast ever.